Here we go. We're back. Got the first truck already out here. About to unload the second truck of the day. It's just me and Chance out here cleaning up the stem wall. And then it's up and away. Here we go. All right, well, I missed a whole bunch. We're a few days into this thing now. We got windows getting cut in, doors getting cut out. We got some plumbing here. Simple as just cutting out around it. And then we're gonna patch pieces in like this. You'll never know it was there. But do make sure, mark where your plumbing goes. Keep that in mind so you don't happen to drill into it for whatever reason. Got some windows starting here, getting those cut out. Corners are going up. There we go, there's a door. We gotta hog this thing out all the way though. The top block's done. We just gotta get that web out of these bottom two. That way the butt can sit in there. Pretty good progress out here though, easy stuff. Like I said, we're 3 feet up, 4 guys. Going up to 4 feet on half of it. Moving on along, door bucks will start in next week.